Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. From here let's move to left side and tap to settings to open them. And now we have to slide a little bit to find press and hold shutter button option. When we tap on it, we can decide to use this as record video, burst shot or focus. So let me pick burst shot. Now when we move back to camera and tap on shutter button a little bit longer, we should be able to take burst shot. So let's try. And as you can see here, we have the countdown and we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way. So our burst shot. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.